In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DNS in Godaddy. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, navigate to the Godaddy website. You'll want to look for the section titled Domain Names, Websites, Hosting and Online Marketing Tools on the homepage. This section is your gateway to managing your domain and associated settings, including the DNS. Next, locate and click on the Sign In button at the top of the page. Godaddy makes it convenient to log in with your existing accounts, offering options like signing in with Google for those who prefer that method. Go ahead and choose the login option that suits you best and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in securely. Once you're signed in, you'll want to return to the Godaddy home interface. It's here that you'll find a streamlined overview of all your products and services. Search for the Products section, which acts as your control hub. It's the place where you can manage all things related to your domain and website services. When in the Products section, take a moment to locate your domain. Depending on the number of domains you manage, this process might take a little browsing. Once you've found the specific domain you need to work on, you'll see an option labeled DNS. Clicking on DNS will bring you to the domain's DNS management page. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as effective DNS management is key to ensuring your website runs smoothly and directs traffic appropriately. Now that you're in the DNS management section, it's time to select a record. You'll typically see a list of DNS records like A, CNAME and MX records, all of which work together to define how your domain behaves on the internet. Identify the record you intend to reset or remove. Upon selecting the appropriate record, locate the Delete button. Deleting a record is a straightforward action, but one that should be done with caution, as it could affect your website's functionality or email performance. Always double check you've selected the correct record before proceeding. And there you have it. That's how you reset the DNS settings in your Godaddy account. This process is quite simple once you know your way around the Godaddy interface. Remember, if you encounter any issues, Godaddy's support team is just a click away to assist you further. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more useful tutorials.